All right, how's it going, folks? So it's Tuesday, it's poetry day. So let's learn how to write a new type of poem. This is called a cinquain. It has 5 lines. What? Well, that's Friday when you present your stuff. All right, so 5 lines,
Michael,
and
how you do the numbers here?
it counts down whenever you do it. So let's go. The first line is one word subject, something that you're thinking of. Mine is going to be summer. All right. So we'll go here. You hit the plus sign. Let me move this over a little bit. And we'll make a new poem here. All right. So, all right. We'll format the slide, apply a layout. I'm going to go back to this one and line 1.
Michael, I want to play with slime.
You want to play outside?
No, with slime.
With the slide.
I want to play with slime.
Okay, so my one word is summer. Okay, all right, babe. Okay, 2 words describing summer. Are you leaving? You're going over there? No, he's fine. 2 words describing summer. So we'll go back. 2 vivid adjectives describing summer. All right. Let's see.
Oh my God. Oh, like a baby.
Hot. And what else describes summer? What do you think?
Slime.
What?
Slime.
Slime?
Yeah.
The summer isn't slimy. Summer is
Donut.
it's hot, and then
What is this?
the days are long. Okay, so that's fun. Okay, and then you need 3 interesting action verbs that end in ing. All right. Ooh, and mommy says swimming. Here we go. Ouch. Let's see. We'll go with mowing.
Where's mowing?
And
At the wedding?
at the what?
At the wedding.
The wedding? Did you mow grass at the wedding?
Yeah.
I don't think so. You're silly. That was in August last year. We weren't mowing. Carol and them mowed. Let's see. Swimming, mowing, and here we're gonna do this summer. And we're gonna go fishing this summer.
Where's the fishing?
Fishing, yeah. You want to go fishing? You want to go fishing? All right. So we can go fishing. We can go fishing. I think we could go fishing today if you wanted to.
And the water gun. And the water gun.
Water gun.
Yeah.
Well, let's go get it.
The water gun, Mike.
You want a water gun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Summer, hot and long, swimming, fishing, mowing, and fishing. All right. And then line 4, 4-word phrase that captures the feeling about your topic. So 4 words.
You blew up
All right, we need 4 words. What did you say? A 4-word phrase. All right.
Mowing at the wedding. Mowing at the wedding. Mowing at the wedding.
Let's see. Playing.
In the water gun.
No.
Yes. Let's go fishing then.
Let's see. Playing. Put your feet down, dude. Playing in. Colden. All right, dude. Stop, dude. Now you're getting a little
cheeky.
Yeah.
Cheeky.
Playing in the water. There we go.
Cheeky.
Okay. All right. You can go to mommy now. Since you can't go over there. Since you're. Yeah. Okay. If you're gonna stay here, you can't grab the keyboard. I'm trying to. All right. Okay. And then 1 word about that explains summer, about line A. 1 word.
What's this?
It's a ball. Let's see.
It's a bowling school.
Then we will use.
It's a bouncy ball.
All right. So There we go. And then we'll insert a picture. Let's see if we can find one. Search the web here. Let's see. So we'll type in summer. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. Here, we'll go with this one here. Right here. Let's insert that. Alright, here it comes. And we'll put that over here. There we go. There we go. Summer, hot and long, swimming, mowing, fishing, playing in the water, June. Alright, excellent. Hold on, I gotta add a picture here. Let's see. See if I can find a picture of Lindsay and Colton on this computer. Alright, folks. So we will... I have a lot of pictures on this, I guess. Alright, we'll, hold on. Oh, this is the fun part about having different computers. Okay, so we will... I can bring that up. And watch this. This will be fun. See if I can find pictures. There it is. There it is. Look at that picture, folks. This is a good one. All right. It doesn't look perfect in that setting, but there we go. All right. Well, there you go. And there's a Cinquain. You guys have a great day.